Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we dive into one of my favorite fruits, the Tamarillo, or what most people call the tree tomato. This is a very nutritious fruit that is juicy and tasty. We are going to tackle some of the common misconceptions that are detrimental towards the production of this crop, whereby we see that most people are willing to get into tree tomato production, but there are these misconceptions and myths that are everywhere that scare them off from venturing into this lucrative business or agribusiness. So let's dive right in. They need a lot of water. While it's true that tree tomatoes need a lot of water for them to thrive and even produce abundantly, these plants are well adapted to medium amount of water. You water them deeply and infrequently, as frequent watering can lead to root rot that ends up killing the crop or having a negative implication on its health and general productivity. The second misconception is tree tomatoes need full sunlight. While it's almost true that tree tomatoes need sunlight like any other crop for them to produce fruit, it's generally not true that this must be the case, as these fruits can tolerate shades, especially if you are in tropical regions where you receive long hours of sunshine. Putting them in the shade can be very beneficial to the crop, as it reduces the amount of evapotranspiration on the crop, thus ensuring the plant has enough water throughout the growing period, and also it reduces the instances of sunburn that destroys the leaves and eventually affect the health of the plant. The third misconception is it's difficult to grow tree tomatoes. Tree tomatoes are very easy to grow. This is a very biased misconception. Tree tomatoes can grow almost anywhere, provided you plant them in a well-drained soil, you provide regular watering, and there is enough sunlight for them to flower and fruit. And above all this, you provide the necessary attention and care, just like any other crop, to ensure that the crop thrives well. The fourth misconception about tree tomato production is it is unprofitable. This is very wrong. In fact, this crop is gaining popularity among people worldwide, and due to its benefits when it comes to nutrition. So there is a ever-growing demand for this crop, with a kilo of fresh produce fetching very high in the market. Also, this crop can be agro-processed into different products. We're talking about value addition. So this unprofitable misconception is very wrong and does not hold any water. If you want to produce tree tomatoes, you need to avoid this naysaying that goes around here and there, and put yourself out there and give it a try. This is a very good crop that can come in handy for you, be it for subsistence or commercial purposes. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and keep watching, and I'll see you on the next one.